Disengage autopilot. You've got the stick, Space Rangers. Set course for Planet Z. Robots are Zerg's first line of defense. Neutralize them with your laser cannons. Stabilize your flight path. Aim for the Z's. These power-hungry robots are Zerg's first line of defense. Neutralize them with your laser cannons. Stabilize your flight path. Aim for the Z's.
Seize them, and their little green birds through. What have you done? Reconnect the fusion cells. Power. I must have power.
Set coordinates for Gamma Quadrant. Through the escape hatch. Follow Zerg. Zerg escapes. Through the escape hatch. Follow Zerg.
Miserable do-gooders, pipe-sized pipsqueaks.
Space Rangers, concentrate your firepower on Zerg's secret weapon.
No, stop that. I'm indestructible. Do you hear? Indestructible.
Wing Squadron, secure their power cells for transport.
Miserable do-gooders.
Joystick disabled. Prepare for re-entry. Joystick disabled.
Check the status board to review your score. Remember, to infinity and beyond.
Joyce will master me. I'll be back.
What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger spin. I am terrible at this ride, and holding a camera did not do me any favors, but it's still a fun ride and a very unique experience for the Magic Kingdom theme park. I want to know what you want to see in the future of this channel, so let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to make sure it gets covered. If you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.